Okay, we're back, everybody. Joining us now, Mikhail and McCoy Richards, trailblazers who have set a remarkable record as the youngest individuals to conquer all 13 professional exams for the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, ACCA, within an astonishing 2-year period. Who are you guys? Like, which planet are you from? Welcome to the show. This is Mikhail, this is McCoy. Good to have you both. Congratulations.
Thank you.
My goodness. So you both work at KPMG.
Yeah.
You both have attended the same institutions all your lives, and you have a strong track record of academic success, moving through from Kensington to Ardennes to... Tell me a little bit about the journey together, because oftentimes you see twins, we expect that you're the same person, or to think the same, or do the same things. Thank God I don't dress different this morning, because I wouldn't know who's who. But what's it been like to have him there along this journey and to achieve this with him?
Well, to be honest, when we were a bit younger, I don't think we were that close. But over time, we just grew closer and closer. Having went to the same primary school, high school, we play football together, watch football together, we do everything together. So it's been a good journey so far.
And McCoy, to cross this tape with him by your side.
Yeah, I mean, coming into KPMG, I think we had set a goal for ourselves, to try and see if we can get through all our professional examinations in as short a time as possible. So it's good that, along the way, neither of us got left behind.
Because you held each other accountable.
Yeah.
So did it always just already to know and do accounting, so?
Yeah.
Math was just your thing?
Yeah, math was our thing in high school, and we liked accounting and business, so.
Yeah, so accounting was like a mix between math
Yes, a little bit of both.
Yeah.
Let's talk about those exams. They are not for the faint of heart. I've heard many an accountant be beaten and bruised by those exams, and it takes them years to finish and to get their accreditation. How were you able to do that in 2 years?
Well, it took a lot of work, a lot of sacrifice. Our weekends became a bit shorter. The time that we had for personal activities became a bit shorter. And we just believed in ourselves, and we just really tried to maximize our potential.
Because was there ever a point where you were like, me not depend on this, Now, me can't go on about in business because me.
I think throughout it all, it was pretty difficult at times, because managing work, especially in an audit firm, and, trying to match that with studies and personal time, that was really difficult. But I think we remain, steadfast and just push through.
Yeah, and one can't leave the other.
One can't leave the other. What drives you guys in terms of motivation outside of each other? What is it that keeps you focused, that keeps you going?
Well, I think what would be my number one motivation is definitely my mother. I tell her that. And, just people who, my friends, colleagues, managers, they keep me going.
Your mother must be so super proud.
Yeah, she is.
Oh my gosh.
And
Is she watching now?
Yeah, she is.
You better tell her morning. Tell her morning, but it says wave.
Mom.
Wow. Historic achievement. Has it sunk in? How does it feel?
Well, it's been some time since we finished the exams. We finished it last year, December. So
But it has sunk in. You've had some time.
Yeah, we had some time.
Because you guys went straight to KPMG out of high school, no?
Yeah.
Wow. So what has your career been like? Has accounting been everything you expected it to be and more?
Well, we work in audit, so...
Yeah, audit is a beast.
Yeah. It's a lot of work, but I think it really helps to train you. You learn a lot from auditing, and I think overall it has been a great journey so far.
Auditing is life, don't it?
Yeah. I think in auditing you learn a lot more than what you learn from a typical accounting job, because you're going to different entities from different industries and learning about all the aspects of their business. So,
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Plus, it teaches you about standards and compliance and just the way really, it's a good paradigm and a good framework for life, audit is. So you've hit this milestone now. We're from here, come here, son, done. Like, seriously, guys? What is next?
I think for us now, it's really figuring out what to do next, honestly. I think in terms of education, I wanted to do my CFA exams, and Mikoy wanted to do his master's as well. So it's really just us figuring out what exactly is the next step.
And tell us what CFA is for the folks who are watching and don't know.
Certified Financial Analyst. Yeah.
Okay. And that makes you able to do what?
Well, it's more finance related than accounting. And I was always interested in finance, and I want to learn how the world of finance works.
What about you, McCoy?
I mean, to be honest, I didn't really put a lot of thought into what's next so far because, you know, having come from to KPMG straight from high school, the focus was always on completing my exams. And then, you know, ever since completing my exams, you know, I kind of shifted gears or shifted focus on just, you know, furthering my experience and knowledge in the field of auditing and accounting.
So you're kind of sitting squarely in now,
yes,
not really looking to next yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you deserve that.
Yeah.
Have you guys taken like a little time to do like a little something that's not work-oriented or study-oriented for a bit? What do you do for fun?
Well, watch a lot of football.
A lot of basketball.
A lot of basketball. As well. So
Okay.
we're interested in a lot of sports.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's really it.
Yeah. We aren't really outgoing like a typical.
You don't have to be though.
22-year-olds.
You don't have
We're
to
trying
be.
to do a little bit better though.
Yeah, but I mean, you are who you are. If it's football that brings you joy, just watch all the ball you can. And you play as well.
No.
Oh dear. Maybe that's something that you can actually take up. Lots of young people watching this show this morning, looking at you having, you know, really achieved this huge milestone so early. What is your word to them as we have to wrap and go to break? Quick word.
I think the first step is really to believe in yourself. I don't think there's anything that you can't accomplish without when you believe in yourself. And to have an open ear, to listen to those around you, to those other professionals that can give you like advice and kind of guide you.
10 seconds, McCoy.
Yeah, I would like to add on to what Mikhail said. I think belief is probably the number one thing. A lot of us don't know what it truly means to believe in ourselves. So I think that's definitely the number one thing. And just, you know, staying focused and having that level of determination to, you know, go and get what you want,
Yes.
both professionally and academically.
And personally.
And personally.
Gentlemen, thank you so much.
Yes,
and
thank you.
congratulations. Senior accountants. Really? Yes, Mikhail and McCoy Richards. All right, we've got the second edition of News in 5 next. We'll be right back on the other side of that. Thank you guys so